All right, everybody, welcome back to my channel. We finally got it in. It came 8 days sooner than expected. We're gonna get this unboxing started. I'm not gonna really do a traditional unboxing. I'm just gonna take it out of the package, get it set up, and we'll take it from there. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for joining me on this journey. We'll get to it. Well, I started thinking about it. I think I may ought to do a little unboxing video just in case something's wrong with it. That way I'll have proof. All right, I'm gonna try to set y'all up, let y'all see what's going on. Unpacking with you a little bit. Sorry I lost some of the video, but it was packaged very, very well. I did notice from some other unpacking videos that it came with a box that had all your accessories in it, tools, Allen wrenches, and this, that, and the other. And I also saw some that the Allen wrenches came with a handle on them. I actually had to print mine. All my tools and accessories came in a Ziploc bag. I also saw on a lot of other videos that they had samples of filament showing you the different colors that you could receive from Bambu Lab. Mine didn't come with those filament samples. I actually really wanted it to. I printed out a carousel to hold them. I guess I'm gonna have to email them and see whether it just didn't get in it or they're not doing that anymore or what. But like I said, it all came together really well. It was packaged really well. Couldn't ask for anything simpler, and that's what I was looking for, simple. For the AMS, really easy to put together. The A1, again, really, really easy to put together. I was really impressed with it. Not too much more to say about it. Just a really enjoyable experience. Like I said, I'm gonna go through it and get it all put together. I did lose some video of it all assembled after I got it unpacked. I'll show you some video of it working, but yeah, did really well. So anyway, folks, stay with me and we'll show you some more of the printing and what I printed first. All right, well, that's the basic unpacking. Let me get some snips, take these ties off, and get her put together. All right, guys, well, this wasn't my first print, but I wanted to show you the A1 and the AMS all put together so y'all can see it working in all its glory. Okay, guys, I want to apologize first and foremost about all the video and audio problems I'm having. I lost a lot of video, or maybe I didn't record it. I thought I did, but I'm all new to this, so bear with me. But what I wanted to do is just kind of go over and give you a recap of the unboxing. The unboxing went really well. I was really impressed with how it was packaged. Everything went together really well. What I would recommend is when you're tightening the screws in, they feel like they're going into plastic, so they're really hard, or they were on my machine or for me, to screw in. And so I really didn't know if I was getting them tight enough or not. I realized that I wasn't because some of the parts didn't go together. the head of the screw was sticking up too far. So reluctantly, I kept tightening and kept tightening. And what I want to say is just keep tightening until it stops. It's going to come to a stop where you can't tighten it no more without a lot of force. That's the only thing that I would recommend is to be cautious about tightening those screws up. You can think that you may have them tight enough, but they're probably not. Other than that, everything went together perfectly. Went through the process of the calibrations, no problems. So yeah, I was really impressed. Out of the box, ready to go. First print I did was a Benchy. And I can't remember how long it took, 22 minutes, I think, or maybe less. Very impressed. A lot of the videos that I've seen on YouTube showing the items that they've printed, I was really reluctant because of all the lines that were showing. And I'm thinking, well, that's not a good product if all those lines are showing, you know. But it may be due to them really zooming in. I don't know. I haven't zoomed in on too many of my objects. And as you can see, I wear glasses, so maybe I'm not seeing it. But from my end, they're looking really good prints. Smooth, coming out really good. I'll go over in another video on the prints I've done and what I've learned. So stick around for that. I do appreciate y'all coming along for the ride. This is a beginning project for me. I know nothing about it. I'm learning. Maybe we'll all learn together. Maybe you'll be able to teach me something. Leave a comment and give me that thumbs up, and I would appreciate it, and subscribe. It's all free, folks. Come along on this journey with me, and let's make something. Thanks again.